Forgotten username recovery failed on Ramp fix. If your attempt to recover your Ramp username keeps failing, here's the surprising truth: Ramp doesn't use usernames anymore. Like many modern financial platforms, Ramp has simplified its login process to focus entirely on secure email-based access. So when you try to recover a username, the system won't find one because it doesn't exist. Here's how to fix it in a few quick steps. Step 1. Go to the Ramp login page and enter the email address you used to create your account. If you can't remember which one that is, search your inbox for messages from Ramp. That will show you the correct registered email. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions in the email that Ramp sends. Make sure to check your spam or junk folders in case the reset link gets filtered. Step 3. If you signed up using Google or another identity provider, you need to log in that same way. Many users accidentally switch login methods, which causes failed recovery attempts. Step 4. If you still can't access your account, contact Ramp support directly. Provide your full name, company name, and registered email address. Let them know that your forgotten username recovery failed. I'll verify your information and restore access. Most people assume something's wrong with their account, but really, it's just a simple shift in how Ramp manages user credentials. Your email is your lock-in, no usernames required. So, if your recovery fails, don't stress. Just focus on your registered email, reset your password if needed, and log in again. Ramp's system is designed to be faster, simpler, and more secure. Once you know how it works, you'll be back managing your company's expenses in no time.